Revolutionary greetings and hotel. My name is Kwame Benta, and I'd like to welcome you to the Word from the Point. Today, we're going to talk about why do they quit? And what I'm referring to is why do people quit when they join a network marketing company? There are many reasons why people quit. And I think the number one reason is because most people do not look at network marketing as a legitimate business. And there's a reason for that, and that's because of the educational system. I know you probably do not want to hear that, but that is probably the major reason because this our thoughts, it is our philosophy. It is what's been programmed into us when we began the educational process in our public school system. The government controls the information that's given to the students in the school. And what does the government want most people to do? Go to school, get a good education. There's nothing wrong with getting a good education, but you want the right education. And then they want you to maybe go to college so you can get a better job, because that is what the school system is designed to teach you how to become a good, obedient worker so that you'll go out here and look for a job after you finish college, which is supposed to pay you more than the average worker. But those days are gone. They've been gone for a while, but the government continues to feed that narrative. That's why so many people are in debt right now, with student debt and working from paycheck to paycheck, and they have a college degree because that's the plan. They want you to work until you can't work anymore. Then they want you to put your money in the bank and get point something interest on it. And then if you have a job with a 401k, they want you to put your money on the stock market, which we know fluctuates up and down. Several people in 2008, several thousands of people, maybe millions in 2008, lost their savings after they had retired, thinking that they were going to be safe. But when the market crashed, when the economy crashed, half of their wealth was wiped out, and a lot of them got out of it. And it's a roller coaster ride, basically, is what most people are on, and a hamster wheel, because of this fiat currency that they call the US dollar. It fluctuates downward. It gets less valuable and less valuable each and every year. And the prices of goods and services, they fluctuate up. And so if you're saving any cash in the bank, you're losing because of this thing called inflation. Prices continue to go up as the dollar continues to lose its value. So what is the answer? Well, in 2009, something was introduced to the world. It's called Bitcoin. That's not the only answer. But this technology called blockchain is about to revolutionize our planet. We're in a new era. Okay, we're in a whole new era. And as the financial markets system is collapsing because of the leadership that we have in the United States and other European, and other African and other countries, the economy is collapsing because it's based on profit over the people on the planet. Now, I'm going to do a little screen share right here. I want to share this article that I got emailed to me today. And let's see. Okay. Here we go. And basically, it says that Mexico considers making Bitcoin legal tender. Now, This can turn the entire crypto market around. You probably heard of last year where El Salvador made Bitcoin legal tender. It was huge news when it happened. Yet most of the world remained skeptical. It was just one small country after all. And many question the motives of the El Salvador government. So this news didn't impact the price too much. However, now the list of 7 major countries are considering making Bitcoin legal tender. These are big players, and if the news comes out that they've adapted Bitcoin and en masse, it could very well change crypto prices overnight. These 7 countries are Mexico, Panama, Honduras, Portugal, Brazil, Argentina, Paraguay. And if these countries follow through with it, it will be the biggest step forward for Bitcoin's mass adoption that we've ever seen. So how should you prepare? Okay, how should we prepare? I tell you, start a home-based business and start exchanging your declining currency for assets. And we have an opportunity that we want you to take a look at. We've partnered because this is the age of partnership. We partnered with a global company called Gold Standard Partners Global. We have a complete ecosystem that you really want to take a look at because you can get a nice return off of saving in assets. If you look at the bottom of the screen, you can see that there is a ticker tape going down, and we want to invite you to a presentation that we do at 12 noon and 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, also, my website is there. There's a short video that you can watch to give you an overview of the opportunity that we offer. Now, you will never see me put a Cash App or a PayPal link here because I'm not asking for nobody to give me anything. We're presenting an opportunity here to empower the masses of people to help them prepare. And like I say, I entitled this stream, Why Do They Quit? And I said one reason is because they do not think network marketing is a legitimate business because we've been conditioned and programmed by the educational system to think that a traditional business that you must have a building, you must have inventory, you must be able to ship it out, you must have employees, and that's a lot of overhead. Now, if you want to do that, that's fine. But see, we're in 2022 and we have technology. The smartphone that they invented, they've created these things called apps on here. And we have connected the people on the planet who have a dream, who want more out of life than just working until they can't work no more, living paycheck to paycheck, robbing Peter to pay Paul. Not a financial advisor, but we have partnered with a company called BD Swiss, which is one of the top brokerage firms in the world. Yes, GSPartners is on our blockchain. Okay, we have meta brokers within our own metaverse called Lydian World, where we have brought the virtual world to the blockchain world to the physical world, where you can earn a nice residual income for as little as $33 membership per month. You can start a home-based business that you don't have to depend on people stopping by your store. No, all you have to do is look at this as a legitimate business and operate it like a legitimate business, and you will have success. Another reason why people quit is because they don't want to work on themselves. You see, in this business, you have to have the right mindset. You got to realize that the mindset that we have been conditioned to have is a paycheck to paycheck, looking for that instant gratification, knowing that that money is going to come every week or every 2 weeks or twice a month or once a month. In this business, you put in a lot of work in the beginning. that as you grow your team, you're going to put in less work, but you're going to be making more money. It's a way to leverage the talents and efforts of others by not asking them to give you anything, but helping to empower them with the knowledge, the tools that we have available for anybody who want to change their financial trajectory. So we can just build each other up and stop trying to tear each other down. And I wish I had known about this industry a long time ago, network marketing. I'm talking about when I was coming up in the 80s, 70s, in the 90s. Uh, I've been in this industry for, I would say now, for the last 10 or more years, uh, full time now, and it's nothing like it. Because what it is, it's about freedom freedom to do what you want to do, go where you want to go, and not dependent upon someone to pay you so that you can uh, pay your bills, go on a 2 week vacation, and work 40 years, 40 hours, and then live off of 40% of the income that you struggle to live off of those 40 years. You don't want to end up like a lot of people run out of money before they pass away because they never learned how to put their money to work for them. All they were taught was to work for money, okay, instead of having your money work for you. Like I said, this is no financial advice, just some information that I came across. We want to invite you, get with the person that shared this with you, uh, so you can get the password to our presentation that we have 6 days a week on our Zoom presentation, so you can get more information than what I'm sharing here. And another reason why people quit is because they listen to their broke friends, okay, or they've been in this business before and they tried and it didn't work out. So they said, well, let me try this. But they do the same thing they did before. They don't treat it like a business. They treat it like a hobby. So they don't grow the business. They don't promote the business. They don't tell anybody. But why wouldn't you want to tell something about something that's going to benefit you and your family for generations to come? We're on a blockchain, okay? Everything is transparent. VD Swiss company has been around for over 10 years. They trade in over $1 trillion a year for their customers. We have mining certificates. We have DeFi. We have stakings and NFTs. We have the Blockchain Academy. Your membership gets you a $28 NFT that you'll be able to use in our metaverse. So we're not going to keep you, but if you see any value in this, please like and share, subscribe to our channel, and we'll hope to see you on the other side of money and freedom, because that's what this is all about. You can earn as you learn. You don't need to know everything. You just need to get started. Peace, power, and love.